Stop! Don't scratch that code off just yet, and definitely don't throw that card away thinking it's empty. If you've ever struggled to find the specific redeem button hidden in the Amazon app's maze of menus, or if you've typed in that long code only to get an error message, you are not alone. I'm Anna, and welcome to For Real, where we give you the real tech tips you actually need. Today, I'm not just showing you one way to redeem your Amazon gift card. I'm showing you the fastest shortcut that 90% of people miss, plus how to use your camera so you never have to type those numbers again. Let's get that money into your account. Let's start with the speed run method. Most tutorials will drag you through 5 different menu screens. We aren't doing that. Open your Amazon app. See that search bar at the very top, the one you use to buy socks or coffee beans? Just tap that. Type in Redeem Gift Card. You don't even have to finish typing it. The option usually pops up instantly. Tap the button that says Redeem a Gift Card with the little card icon. Boom. You are exactly where you need to be in 5 seconds flat. Now, if for some reason the search bar is acting glitchy, or you just want to know where this lives permanently in your account, here is the manual path. Look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a person. That's your profile. Tap that. Once you're on your profile, you want to tap the button labeled Your Account. Scroll down, keep scrolling until you hit the Payments section. Tap on Manage Gift Card Balance. It's a bit of a hike, which is why I prefer the search bar method. Okay, pause here. This is where 50% of people get an error message. Look at the back of your card. There is a long number printed on the card. That is the serial number. Do not type that. It won't work. You need the claim code. It's usually 14 or 15 characters, mixed letters and numbers, and it's hidden under that silver scratch-off strip. Or if you have a digital card, it's in the email body. Here is the pro tip to save your thumbs. Instead of typing that long string of nonsense, look for the button that says Scan Your Claim Code. Tap that. Allow camera access if it asks, and just hold your phone over the back of the card. The app uses OCR technology to read the code instantly. It's like magic. If you can't scan it, type it carefully into the box. Then, the final step. Tap Apply to your balance. You should see a confirmation screen showing your new total balance. If you don't see the total update immediately, don't panic. Sometimes it takes a refresh. Quick check-in. If you just successfully added cash to your account, hit that like button right now. It helps other people find this guide so they don't lose their gift card money either. What if it didn't work? Let's troubleshoot. If it says already redeemed, check if another family member shares your account. They might have beaten you to it. If the code is unreadable because you scratched it too hard, don't throw it away. You can actually contact Amazon customer support with the serial number, the one we didn't type earlier, and they can often help you retrieve the funds. Also, remember there are rules on spending this loot. Generally, you cannot use an Amazon gift card to buy other gift cards, like Visa or MasterCard prepaid cards. And usually, you can't use them for certain recurring subscriptions. So if your payment is being declined at checkout, that might be why. And that is it. You are now locked, loaded, and ready to shop. If you want to know how to maximize that balance or find hidden Amazon deals, thanks for watching For Real. I'm Anna, keep it real, and happy shopping.